Hi folks, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you a few watercolor sketches that I did using this rather inexpensive watercolor set and these watercolor paper pads of the same brand. What I like about this brand is their packaging. Their packages are always very neat and elegant. um, so there's a separate video about this watercolor set where I do a demo and a review of the colors. I will put a link to that video in the cards as well as in the video description below. Please check it out if you're interested. So these are the watercolor sketches. I did all of these off camera because this watercolor set is so light and portable, so I used to carry it with me whenever I go for my evening walks or when I have to wait for a doctor's appointment, for example. This also comes with a water brush and it's very easy to do sketches spontaneously as and when you get the time. That's how I completed all of these tiny paintings. All of them except maybe for one or two were done on the go and at random places. The reason why I'm showing you this is for you to get an idea of what you can achieve with a very inexpensive watercolor set. I'm a beginner watercolor artist. The advantage of these inexpensive value packs is that you can practice a lot without the pressure of wasting paint and paper. And this is a brand that I highly recommend if you are just starting off with watercolors and you want to practice a lot. This is probably a good brand to use. Alright, so I hope you enjoy the rest of the video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you next time with more art videos. Bye bye.